This is a follow-up video for my Signal box fan. I've got it cleaned up slightly. It needs a little bit more cleaning up. I got the blades balanced up a little bit more. Earlier this evening, I think the username was D Burrow. I sent him an email telling him that I couldn't get the motor to run. Well, it started running, but I will show it to you. And also earlier this evening, when I tried out the fan, I switched it to the low position, and it pretty much stopped running. I also had, in order to get it running, I had to push it by hand. And it's on the out position right now, which has really been a little bit more troublesome than the in position. Now we'll watch it spin down. Okay, now for the in position on high. And this is low. Okay, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. I'm thinking someday I'm going to take the motor completely apart and look into it a little bit.